Okay, so this is March 20th, 2021. It's around 7:18 p.m. on Saturday. I'm in the process of cultivating my 3 Dantians and open it up. So I did last night. I felt nice, expansive of the 3 Dantians. Felt of it vibrating. And yesterday or between the evening, today, I sat, felt a vibration longer than just now. I cultivated, and this time, same thing with the 3 Dantians. I was able to connect with my 3 Dantians and my chakras. So that's pretty cool. So I feel my chakra also opening up. So as you can sense right now. So middle Dantian. So low Dantian first. Middle. Upper. So what I feel is a flow going out. Before I had to pressure my solar plex. Now it's a soft, much softer, calmer, energetically relating to my solar plex. So this different techniques I'm using that help my low Dantian cultivation, so I can help other people, so I can improve my healing process. So anyway, Dantian, so 1, 2, 3 chakras, and correspond them together, then you get something very interesting you find out as you do that. So I'm pretty satisfied, but I'm going to increase the more cultivation to really for power on. So cheers, happy cultivation.